Okay, Assalamu alaikum talaba. I hope you are okay and do amazing. We will continue our subject with electrophilic aromatic substitution of substituted benzene. طبعا benzene of the aromatic compounds. And here he said electrophilic aromatic substitution. We take it before that, the electrophilic aromatic substitution for benzene, just for benzene. But today we will talk about substituted benzene. Okay, that meaning if you have benzene ring with some or with a special substituents on the cycle, and then this compound it will be enter or it will be go to the electrophilic aromatic substitution. What will be happened and how the orientation of the substituted group can be effect on the new group coming. Now, he said here the electrophilic aromatic substitution is a general reaction of all aromatic compounds, okay, and including polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon and heterocyclics and substitute benzene derivative, all this, and substituent effect to aspect of the electrophilic aromatic substitution. The rate of reaction, that meaning the rate of reaction can be increase or decrease, okay, depending on the substituent. Okay, that meaning the substituent can be make activate or deactivate of the for the benzene ring. The second one, the orientation. Orientation يعني توجيه. Okay, the new group is located either ortho, meta, or para to the existing substituent. Okay, I explain what meaning that. The identity of the first substituent determine the position of the second substituent. Okay, that meaning if you have, for example, like here, iodo here, this is the first substituent. If I make, for example, alkylation for this compound, alkyl group, it will become to here, ortho or meta or para. Okay, this meaning the orientation. Okay, that meaning the alkyl group, the new group, it will become to the ortho or meta or para. The same thing here from the up, ortho or meta or para. Okay, that meaning the orientation. طبعا for every group we can divide all the groups to the three main groups for the orientation. We will take it inshallah for the next slide. Then for example the toluene and nitropenzene illustrate two possible outcomes. Here look to the toluene. Okay, if I make for the toluene halogenation, okay, for the toluene halogenation, look, we have in the ortho, the halogenation, it will become the BR, it will become on the ortho, and meta and para. Look to the percentage here. For the ortho, 40%. For the para, 60, okay, high percentage. Okay, for the meta, trace يعني very small amount. Okay, that meaning, anyone it will be measured, it will be para and then ortho. Okay, why? This we will learn inshallah for the in this day. Why the halogenation of the toluene? It will be the main percentage for the product. It will be on the meta and para, and the trace or the minor amount it will be for the meta. Okay, this for the meta. Look to the nitropenzene. The nitropenzene difficult. Okay, and different from the toluene. Okay, it will be by citric acid. You have the nitration. Okay, if you have nitropenzene and we make nitration, look, we have the nitration meaning added the NO2 group on the benzene ring. We have three possible products. We have ortho, meta, para. Look to the ortho, just 7%. Look to the meta, 93 high percentage. Look to the para also trace amount of the para. Okay. Exactly acts the toluene reaction. Okay, exactly reverse to the toluene reactions. Okay, why this? What will be happened here? The meaning of the orientation, توجيه. Okay, توجيه. Now, he said here, toluene reacts faster than benzene. Why? in all substitution reaction. Why? Because the alkyl group is donating, okay, is donating electron for the benzene ring. That meaning the benzene ring, it will be activate, okay, it will be activate, okay, it will be more reactive than benzene and substituent. Then activate the benzene ring to electrophilic attack. Also, 3 products are possible. We said that of the compounds here. That the meaning here. That meaning the alkyl group is activate group, donating electron, donating. For this reason, it will be activate for the benzene ring, and the orientation it will be ortho-para. Ortho-para here, ortho and para, not meta. The benzene ring, no. The NO2 group is deactivate, withdrawing for the electrons. That meaning deactivate of the benzene ring, making deactivate to the benzene ring. And then the orientation, it will be meta here, not ortho-para, it will be on meta. Okay. Why on meta? Why on the first example on ortho and para? This we dependent for the mechanism of reaction, and we will take it in the next slides. Now look here, substituents, all the substituents either activate or deactivate at benzene ring. يعني دو احتمال هاي. And the substituent make the benzene ring activation or deactivation. Okay, دو احتمال. toward what? toward electrophile. Okay, why electrophile, not nucleophile? Because the benzene ring is high electron density and can be react as nucleophile. And direct selective substituent at a specific site on the ring. That meaning the new group, it will be calm, or it will be substituent on the benzene ring in the special positions. Okay, and ortho and meta and para. Here the meaning. Now all substituents can be divided into 3 general types. Okay, 3 big families. Now number 1, the family number 1 or the big group number 1 is ortho para directors and activator. Look, ortho para or activator. That meaning this group make activation to the benzene ring, and the direction, the orientation, it will be ortho and para. Any substituent this, substituents that activate benzene ring and direct substituent ortho and para, this is the group. Alkyl or nitrogen oxygen with unshape of electron. Look, all this group, all the amino group, the amide group, the ether group, alcohol group, all this can be activated the benzene ring by what? By resonance or hyperconjugation. We have hyperconjugation here?
لا ما عندنا.
ايش عندنا لكن؟
Resonance و inductive.
Resonance inductive. Okay. That meaning all this group make activation to the benzene ring by resonance. By resonance. Why by resonance? Because we have unshape of electron on the atoms, on the nitrogen, on the oxygen. Just here,
Inductive effect.
just here the alkyl group is inductive effect. Just the alkyl group different because there is no unshape of electron.
Partially positive, partially negative.
Yes, polarizable can activate the benzene ring by inductive effect. That meaning also again all this group is ortho and para director. The second family, ortho para deactivator. That meaning also the orientation, it will be ortho para but not activate, deactivator. Any group, this the halogen, just the halogen. The halogen, look, substituent that deactivate the benzene ring and directly substitutes ortho and para. Okay, ortho and para. Then the halogen group, we said before that the halogen group, it will be make deactivate to the benzene ring by any effect.
Inductive effect.
Yes, inductive effect. That meaning the halogen have also resonance, but also have inductive. But the strong one is the inductive effect. That meaning it will be make deactivate to the benzene ring. For this reason, we say this for the halogen is deactivator. يعني مثبطات. Okay, مثبطات. Deactivator. But the orientation, it will be remain orthopara. Orthopara, the same for this group, orthopara, orthopara. Okay, this group or this group, the orientation, it will be orthopara, the same thing. All the halogen is orthopara, but deactivator. Okay. Now, the final or the third family is the meta director. طبعا meta director substituents that directs substitution meta. That meaning all this group orient for the new group, the orientation, it will be on the meta. Okay, on the meta. All meta director, look, all meta is deactivator. All meta is deactivator. That meaning all this group deactivator and meta directors. Why meta directors? Because look to the all this atom here, carbon, 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 sulfur, nitrogen, nitrogen, all partially positive or positive, or partially positive or positive. We said before that any group has partially positive charge or positive charge, it will be make the benzene ring deactivate. Make for the benzene ring deactivation. Okay, deactivation. Why? طبعا طلبة, it will be also both inductive effect or resonance. Anyone?
Resonance.
هاردوكن understood.
هاردوكا عافية.
Inductive.
اثنينهم عيني. اثنينهم عافية.
إيه.
في قلتي هاردوكا؟
دار سيدة.
دار ما شاء الله. إيه صح كده. عافية دار. هاردوكا. Both of them, it will be make deactivate of the benzene ring. Harduka. The inductive or resonance. Okay? Harduka. We said before that both of them. Now, look again, we have a three big family. Orthopara director activator, this group. Orthopara deactivate. And we have meta deactivate. Okay? Meta deactivate. أو طلبة حفظة. You have memorized this. Okay, memorize this. أو حفظ. حفظ طبعا الطلبة قال فهمنا بس حفظ نظام مسألة شيء. Okay. Here, look, he said, yes, to learn this, يعني for memorize this list, keep in your mind that the halogen are in a class by themselves. That meaning halogen group بتنين. Okay? Halogen a group يعني أنا بيجي جداية جروبك جداية. Okay, different from the other groups. Why? Because it's يعني ortho meta director and deactivate special group. Then learn the general structure for each type substituent. Look, if we have R alkali group and if we have any group with unshaped of electron, okay, that meaning this group it will be activate. If Z halogen, it will be deactivate. خلاص. Okay. For meta directors, all meta directors have full partially positive charge on the atom bonded to the benzene ring. Look here, all the Y may be full or positive charge on the directly bonded to the ring. Directly and directly. That meaning this benzene ring directly bonded to the Y any atom طبعا. Any atom have partially or positive charge. Partially positive charge or full positive charge. خلاص. Okay. أو make for you easy to memorize the three main families for the activation and deactivation and the orientation groups. Okay. Again here he said resolve طبعا أو محلولة, draw the products of each reaction and state whether the reaction is faster or slower than similar reaction with benzene. Now, this طلبة, this compound, look here, we have benzene ring directly bonded to the nitrogen. This nitrogen with unshaped of electron or no?
بله تاي سيدة.
تمام, with unshaped of electron. That meaning هي inductive and resonance.
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 Okay. Any reaction this? Any reaction? Any reaction? What is the general name for this reaction? Alkylation?
Nitration.
Nitration.
Nitration, عافية, nitration. Nitration, that meaning the nitration, it will be ortho, para or meta?
Ortho para بس.
عافية, ortho, para or meta,
ما
will be trace or absent, okay? And pitch يعني يا عندنا كمية قليلة أو أصلا ما موجود, okay? We said a trace amount or absent. Now it will be ortho, para, meta, no. Okay, go to the next slide. Look here. It will be ortho and para. Ortho and para. Okay, in your opinion, يعني برأيك anyone is more than other, the para or the ortho? يلا بصراحة هي صح structure. Look to the structure. It will be easy for just look to the structure.
ortho.
Look, what we have here, we have crowded. ازدحام طلبة قلبالة خبصة. Okay, and here is a free space. Okay, anyone it will be more than other.
Para.
Yeah, the para. It will be, for example, 60%. This it will be 40%. Why the 60? Because this there is no steric effect. إعاقة فراغية هنا طلبة. Here we have steric effect. Okay, we have a steric effect. Both of them it will be found on the product, but the para with high percentage than the ortho. Okay, both of them. Now look to the second one. Look, we have a benzene ring directly bonded to the carbon. This carbon with unshapered electron? No.
No.
What with partially positive charge or full positive charge by resonance? Okay, that meaning this group is activate or deactivate? Deactivate.
Deactivate to meta.
Deactivated, and the orientation it will be on the meta. On the meta. Okay, here it will be on the meta. What is the name of this reaction?
Halogenation.
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 Halogenation. Okay, that meaning if we make halogenation to this compound, that meaning the product it will be meta. Okay, it will be there is no ortho para. There is no ortho para. This para, this ortho. There is no ortho para. Just the substitution. It will be on the meta. Look, it is easy. Okay, it's easy. Now this homework for you. Look, draw the products for each reaction. This reaction, we have benzene ring directly bonded to the oxygen. This oxygen with partially positive unshapered electron with what?
Unshapered.
With unshapered electron, عافية. That meaning it will be activate or deactivate?
Activate.
عافية, activate. Activate by any effect?
Resonance.
Resonance.
Which resonance?
انشاء الكترونية.
Electron. Okay. What is the name of reaction? Look to the reaction.
Alkylation.
Alkylation.
Okay, alkylation. That meaning it will be ortho para or meta?
Ortho para.
Para ortho.
Ortho para, عافية, ortho para. Okay. Look to the second one. Second one is bromobenzene. Okay. What is the name of reaction again? Nitration. Halogen Br, activate or deactivate?
Deactivate.
Deactivate. Deactivate.
Ortho para.
That meaning it will be orthopara. Deactivate orthopara. Okay. Look to the final one. The last one is nitropenzene. Okay, nitropenzene. Nitro group is activate or deactivate group?
Deactivate.
Deactivate.
Which deactivate?
When I say deactivate,
Withdrawing?
I know withdrawing because the nitrogen with full positive charge.
Full positive.
Okay, the nitrogen with full positive charge. Okay, that meaning it will be make deactivate for the benzene. Okay, now what is the name of reaction?
Halogenation.
Halogenation.
Chlorination. Halogenation. Chlorination. If the Br bromination. If the chlorination. Okay, halogenation. Okay, what is the orientation?
Meta direction.
Okay, meta director. عافية. Meta director. Okay, good. Now also we have draw the products for when each compound is treated with HNO3 add and H2SO4. That meaning this reaction is nitration. Okay. State whether the reaction occur faster or slower than similar reaction of benzene. Now, look to this homework. He said this group here, activate or deactivate?
Deactivate.
Deactivate. That meaning the reaction, it will be slower than benzene or faster than benzene?
Slower, Seda.
Slower. Deactivate, okay? It will be slower. And the direction, the orientation?
Meta.
Meta.
Good. The second one?
هرجي يوصل.
هرجي وصل. Third one? هرجي ناقص.
Now, para or Seda.
Okay, it will be activate. Okay, activate the benzene ring. That meaning the compound, the third compound C, يعني, is the reaction of this compound is faster than benzene itself. Okay, that meaning is activate group because the hydroxyl group is activate group by any effect.
Resonance.
Yeah, resonance. What is the orientation?
Ortho or para?
Also para.
Okay, good. The DOE for you. Now, take. He said, why substituent activate or deactivate the benzene ring? Here, the principle, the main idea, why the halogen or why the hydroxyl or why the alkyl group is make activate or deactivate to the benzene ring.
Seda بس يا إيشي activate أورسو para نمنا.
بله درسته. Okay. He said here why substituents activate or deactivate the benzene ring. طبعا we will take all the resonance structure and we can know why it will be activate or deactivate the benzene ring. Look to here, the more stable of the carbocation, we said, because we have carbocation, yes? He said the more stable carbocation, the lower in energy on the transition state. Yes, exactly. If we say more stable, that meaning the energy it will be less. Okay. If we say high, less stable carbocation, that meaning the energy of that carbocation it will be high high energy. Okay. Then he said the lower energy of the transition state, this format, yes, and it will be faster than for the reaction. Okay, of course. He said here, look, the electron donating groups or the electron stabilize the carbocation and activate benzene ring. Okay. Toward what? Toward electrophilic attack. Okay, good. The second one, he said electron withdrawing group, okay, withdrawing, destabilize the carbocation and deactivate the benzene ring toward electrophilic attack. Okay, this is clear. واضح أو طلبة ما نهارتك واضح؟ Okay. It is clear for you. I think it is clear for you. Do you understand this 1 and 2?
لا سيدة.
ها؟
لا.
لا بتجي
سيبر. سيبر.
سيبر. No, ciao سيبر. سيبر, look. He said electron donating groups, okay? Electron donating. Stabilize the carbocation. Why stabilize the carbocation? يلا سيبر. And by inductive and by resonance. معنى؟ electron donating. خلاص stabilize the carbocation. Okay?
ايه تمام.
تمام.
مش بارد. عندي اخواتي يعني.
Okay. بس بتشك تركيزها. Okay? Electron donating groups stabilize the carbocation and carbocation stable دبنا activate for the benzene ring. ما قلتي برهنجي alkyl group deactivate group by inductive معناه؟ اوكي. يا دوي عكسه بالضبط. electron withdrawing يعني المجاميع الساحبه destabilize the carbocation. اوكي. تقلل من استقلالية الكربوكيشن and deactivate deactivate the benzene ring يعني مثبطة للحلقة البنزين. toward what؟ اتجاه ماذا؟ اتجاه toward the electrophilic attack. اتجاه الهجوم الالكتروفيل. اوكي؟
درست.
again أو ملخصة بطلبة. Look, alkyl group and Z with unshaped of electron. Activation. Okay, activation. Electron donating group. خلاص. طبعا Z and nitrogen and oxygen. هكا تاقوتي halogen لا halogen deactivation. Okay, halogen deactivation. وهكا Y partially positive charge or positive charge it will be deactivation. خلاص أو دو مجموعة. تمام؟ It is clear واضح؟
واضح.
Yes.
Now, label each compound as more or less reactive than benzene. Okay, in electrophilic aromatic substitution. This compound more active or less active than benzene?
more
More.
More. Why?
activated
عشان donate
With
electron.
the
Yes, because the alkyl group donating by any effect,
inductive effect.
Inductive.
by resonance. هيا نينا.
Nina.
Nina.
Which Nina?
Çünkü electron unshared of electron Nina.
Paralyzable partially.
انشف الكترون شياسيكا شو لك هاي؟ نينا. انشف الكترون نينا. تمام؟ This number B, compound number B, we have this compound is more active or less active than benzene?
More active.
بوشي.
تنكواج أكثر يعني. Donating group.
Donating. Okay, by any effect?
Resonance effect because two هاي اثنين إلكترون أنشئ.
Okay, because the oxygen has unshaped of electron. Okay, good. The third one, Sibar. Third one.
withdrawing يا سيدة
Decation.
Withdrawing. Bucci, Adar.
سيدة resonance و
Partially positive.
يعني more reactive or less reactive than benzene?
Less.
ليش سيدة
Less
deactivated
Less reactive. Okay, final one. جعفر. جعفر. ها جعفر. هيا نينا.
أستاذ معنا.
ما عندكم جعفر. ايه. Benzene ring with nitrogen. Nitrogen full positive charge. That meaning activate or deactivate?
Deactivate.
عافية جعفر. قصدي ايه. قلنا جعفر معك. ايه. Deactivate by any effect.
Resonance effect.
Resonance effect. عافية. تمام. شوفوا, it is easy, yes? Okay. Now, take this homework for you. Rank the compounds in each group in order to increase reactivity in electrophilic aromatic substitution. Okay. Output بصناعية. قالك بصناعية. Now, take the orientation effects in substituent benzene. Okay, now the orientation effect. All ortho-para director are R group. Look, or ortho-para director are groups or have non-bond electron pair on the atom bonded to the benzene ring. خلاص. We know this. The second one, all meta director have a full or partially positive charge on the atom bonded to the benzene ring. Yes, we know that. Now he said to evaluate the directing effect of the given substituent, we can follow the stepwise procedure. Okay, what is the stepwise procedure? Any procedure this. How we can know this group? It will be activate or deactivate. It will be ortho, meta, or para. Okay. Look, he said here. طلبة, where is the to evaluate the direction of we can follow the stepwise. يعني. Okay, now. No, step number one, he said draw all resonance structure for the carbocation formed from the attack of an electrophile, any electrophile at ortho, meta, and para position of substituent benzene. يعني هكذا بيجت أو electrophile date ortho لازم همين resonance structure check. هكذا also meta all the resonance structure you have to do it. And the para, all the resonance structure, you have to do it. This is number one, okay? And look here, there are at least 3 resonance structure for each side of the reaction, okay? على الأقل يوجد لدينا 3 أشكال رنينية لكل موقع هجوم, ortho or meta or para, لكل موقع تعويضي. Each resonance structure places a positive charge, okay? Ortho or para to the new carbon electrophile bond. Okay, this. Now, طبعا I will explain for you one by one. Step number 2, evaluate the stability of the intermediate resonance structure. أمسح كresonance structure مستقرة أم لا, more stable أم لا. Okay. The electrophile attack at those positions that give the most stable carbocation. Okay. What meaning this? I explain for you what meaning this. Look, we will take, for example, the methyl group, the CH3 group, alkyl group. Okay. Alkyl group, we said before that ortho-para director, not meta. Okay. طبعا بوتشي methyl group ortho-para, not meta. طبعا you will be said to him because the alkyl group is activate the benzene. Okay, activate the benzene chelidate. Okay, why? طبعا the explain in the next slide. Look, we will make 1, 2, 3. The 3 position of attack, ortho, meta, para. Okay, take the toluene. This is the toluene. Okay, make the ortho attack. The pi bond, it will be attack the electrophile. The electrophile, it will become to the meta. Okay, sorry, to the ortho here, to the ortho. That meaning it will be on this figure, and we have positive charge. We have resonance structure. Yes, we have resonance structure. The double bond make it will be converted to here, and the positive it will become to here. Now we have additional resonance structure. Yes, the double bond will become to here, and the positive it will become to here. Okay, now look to the positive here. We have additional resonance structure. No, خلاص. Okay. Now final step. The nucleophile attack this hydrogen, and this hydrogen, this bond, both of the electron make double bond here. Yes, we know that. Now look to the resonance structure. 1, 2, 3. Anyone is more stable? This or this or this?
3.
يا أخي
طبعا 3. بوتي.
çünkü ya سه كربون اللي بيري.
No, chunke, buchi. Why? Because the methyl group directly donating to the positive charge. صح كيف؟ معناه carbocation أو معناه carbocation.
Really?
Carbocation مباشرة bonded with the methyl. It will be more stable from the carbocation where there is no methyl group directly bonded to it. Okay?
يعني دونا بيجي بير تشيري.
أجبك شيء؟
تشيري يعني carbocation هاي.
Also, you can say by tertiary. Okay, you can say by tertiary. Okay, it is where 1, 2 secondary carbocation. This tertiary carbocation. The methyl group directly bonded to the carbocation. Okay, you can say tertiary carbocation. Okay, no problem. Both of them. The methyl directly donate to the positive charge. Okay, you can say the tertiary carbocation. Okay, look here. He said the methyl group stabilize the positive charge. Okay, he don't say the tertiary carbocation. He said مقصدوي أن alkyl group directly donate to the positive charge. Okay, directly donate to the positive charge. If you take it as tertiary carbocation, you can take it. No problem. Both of them is right. Now, take it the second one. This the first one. Clear or no?
واضح أستاذ.
واضح. اوكي آدر.
درست سيدة.
درست سيدة. تمام. شعبان موجودة؟ لا موجودة شعبان. اوكي. Now take the meta attack. That meaning the pi bond. طبعا if we make meta attack to the electrophile, the pi bond it will be open from here or from here, Sagvan? To the up or from down?
Down. أستاذ من down راح تفتح.
لا بالعكس تفتح من العكس. The pi bond it will be open from the up to attack the electrophile. That meaning the positive charge it will become to here. Yes. This for meta. Now we have resonance structure or no?
Yes.
Yes. This pi bond convert to here and the positive charge it will become to here. This additional resonance structure. Yes. This it will become to here positive. Additional resonance structure. No. خلاص. 1, 2, 3. We have just a 3 resonance structure. Okay. Look to the positive charge. Here positive charge and here positive charge and here positive charge. We have positive charge directly to the alkyl group. No. That meaning anyone is best, meta or ortho?
Ortho.
Oh, okay, ortho. Meta is not preferred. Why? Because there is no directly alkyl group or donating group bonded to the positive charge. يعني وكي قلتي سيبر tertiary carbocation نينا. Okay? تمام؟
تمام.
Take the para attack. If we want to electrophile to come to here to the para, that meaning this bond, it will be open to attack the electrophile. Okay? This bond, it will be attack the electrophile. And the positive charge, it will become to here. We have resonance structure? Yes, we have resonance structure. Before, look, we said here, where is, look. There are at least 3 resonance structure. يعني أقل تشت 3 resonance structure higher. Okay? We have at least 3 resonance. Okay? This, it will be open to make double bond here, and the electrophile, this the carbocation, to be converted to here. Now the positive charge directly to the methyl. We have additional resonance structure. Yes, we have additional. That meaning the pi bond, it will be open to make double bond here, and the positive come to here. That meaning we have 1, 2, 3 resonance structure. Anyone is more stable?
الثاني واحد لأن
because the methyl group directly donate. Okay, you can say it is tertiary carbocation. Okay, you can say no problem. That meaning anyone is based the para attack or meta attack?
para.
Okay, the para. That meaning the alkyl group, the orientation, it will be ortho para or meta?
Para.
Ortho para. Hard to be ortho para, but not meta. Why not meta? Because there is no stable resonance structure. 1 minute. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Now, for this reason, the meta not preferred for the alkyl group. Why? Because there is no stable no stable resonance structure. The ortho para is preferred because we have one of the resonance structure, it will be more stable than the others. For this reason, the attack, it will be on the ortho, or the orientation, it will be ortho and para. Okay? Yani, in your exam, طلبة, in your exam, if I say to you, why the alkyl group is ortho and meta, ortho and para director, or the orientation of the alkyl group is will be ortho and para director. Okay? Why? You will be explain for me all this, طلبة, all this. Okay? You have to write all this in your exam, in your answer. Okay? And he said, determine why CH3 direct electrophilic aromatic to the ortho. Look, if I say to you, why CH3 group direct electrophilic aromatic substitution to the ortho and meta position? Why? You will say because the methyl group is activated group by inductive, and the orientation will be ortho and and para, not meta. As explained below, and you can draw all this resonance structure. You said ortho attack, meta attack, para attack. أو حافظة طلبة. حافظة طبعا لا حافظة وصلت أما فهمها هكذا. If you understand it, you will be draw all the resonance structure. Now, again, he said to evaluate the stability of the resonance structure, determine whether any are especially stable or unstable. Look to the all resonance structure. Anyone will be stable or anyone will be less stable than the other. He said here, in this example, attack ortho and para to the CH3 generate resonance structure that places a positive charge on the carbon atom with the CH3 group. That meaning the CH3, it will be directly bonded to the positive charge. Okay? Here, he said here. The CH3 directly bonded to the positive charge. Look, CH3 directly bonded to the positive charge. The electron donating CH3 group stabilize the adjacent positive charge and contract attack meta. يعني بالعكس, on the meta position, the CH3 group doesn't generate any resonance. There is no any resonance. Structure is stabilized by electron donating. There is no any resonance. Look here. There is no any resonance structure. The methyl group directly bonded to the positive. There is no of them. Okay. And other alkyl group are ortho. طبعا all the alkyl group are ortho para director to the same reason. نفس السبب. مختصر, the CH3 group direct electrophilic attack ortho and para to itself because an electron donating inductive effect stabilize the carbocation intermediate. Okay, we have more stable carbocation intermediate, the resonance. I mean here the resonance structure. Now, take this. The NH2 group and ortho para director, the same alkyl group, but alkyl group طلبة by inductive. The NH2 by what? By resonance. Okay, by resonance. To determine why the amino group direct electrophilic aromatic association to the ortho and para position for the same procedure. 1, 2, 3. Ortho, meta, para. Okay. Yalla. Ortho, this it will be open, attack the electrophilia. We have positive. Yes, we have resonance structure. Yeah. This it will be come to here, and the positive come to here. Yeah, this. Additional resonance structure. Yes, we have additional structure. This it will be come to here, and the positive here. We have, look, 1, 2, 3. We have additional resonance structure. Yes. The anshap of electron make double bond here, and the positive come to here. That meaning we have 1, 2, 3, 4 resonance structure. Okay, 4 resonance structure. This, it will be more stable. Why more stable? Because all the atom have an octet. Because all the carbon atom, this, look, all the carbon atom with octet number. شو معنى octet number?
4 bond.
hashed electron.
Yes, 4 bond and hashed electron. Okay, 4 bond and hashed electron. For this reason, here we have carbocation. No, we don't have carbocation. That meaning this more stable than other. Okay, this more stable than other. Look to the meta. Meta attack electrophile. Yes, we have positive charge. Now this double bond convert to here. Yes, positive charge. This positive charge come to here. That meaning we have 1, 2, 3 resonance structure. We have additional resonance structure. No, that meaning just 1, 2, 3. Okay, anyone is more stable? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3?
4.
1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4.
Before that, we said more resonance structure make the compound more stable. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Chapter number 8. Yes. Okay. Any compound have more resonance structure, it will be more stable. The same thing here. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 1, 2, 3. Anyone is prefer ortho or meta? طبعا ortho. Why? Because we have 4 resonance structure, and here we have just 3 resonance structure. Okay. Take the para, same thing. This it will be open to attack the electrophile, make positive charge. Resonance structure, this second resonance structure. Again, this anshap of electron here, make double bond, positive charge converted, yes. Additional resonance structure, yes, we have additional resonance structure. This double bond open to make a new pi bond here, and this pi bond it will be open to remove the positive charge. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 resonance structure. Okay, this is more stable because all the carbon here with no carbocation, all the carbon atom with octet number. Okay, with octet number. That meaning anyone is prefer para or meta?
Para.
Para.
In overall resonance structure, ortho para is the best from the meta. Is prefer from the meta. Okay. That meaning the direction, the orientation of the amino group of the NH2 group, it will be ortho and para, not meta. Okay, not meta. Not meta. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if we take the NO2 group, طبعا and meta director. What he said here of attack the meta position generate usually 3 resonance structure because the lone pair on the nitrogen atom. Attack the ortho and para position generate 4 resonance structure, which is stabilized because every atom has an octet number. Yes, this additional resonance structure can be drawn for all the substituents that have an nitrogen, oxygen, or halogen atom bonded directly to the benzene. يعني طلع شو تبيجت صح؟ تبيجت أفا أورثو وميتا وبارا. طبعا أفا هميت the same structure for the nitrogen or for the oxygen or for the halogen. يعني if I put for you OH here, you have to draw the same resonance structure. If I put for you halogen, the same resonance structure. Okay, this ortho meta para the same for the NH2 OH or halogen. Look here, he said you can try in your home. Try to replace NH2 with OH and draw ortho meta para. Okay, also replace the NH2 by the halogen and draw all resonance structure for the ortho attack, meta attack, para attack. Okay, nitrogen, oxygen, and halogen, the same thing. We have here the final one is the NO2 group and meta. Look, meta director. Why the NO2 group are meta director? طبعا to know the answer, you have to draw all resonance structure for the ortho attack, meta attack, para attack. Okay? Yes, let's go. Look, he said ortho attack, the pi bond will be open, the same thing. It will be open to attack the electrophile, we have positive charge. Resonance, yes, make here double bond, a positive convert here. Additional resonance, yes, make this, and we have positive. Look, this structure, 1, 2, 3 resonance structure. This is high unstable, destabilized. Why? Because we have 2 positive charge near from each other. Look, 2 positive charge. We have 2 positive charge near from each other. This structure is high unstable. Okay, طلبة? High unstable. Any structure have 2 negative charge near from each other, positive charge near from each other. This it will be highly unstable. Okay, highly unstable. Look, we have positive here and directly bonded to the positive. Positive with positive, this highly unstable. Okay, now take the meta. This it will be open to attack the electrophile. Okay. طبعا this the electrophile come to the meta. We have resonance structure. This pi bond make double bond here. The positive will come to here, and this pi bond here. The positive will come to here. We have look. We have 1, 2, 3 resonance structure. We have directly positive charge to the nitro. No, we don't have this. Not directly. This not directly. This not directly. Not like this. This resonance structure highly unstable. But here we don't have any resonance structure directly positive charge bonded to the NO2. Okay, bonded to the nitro group. That meaning anyone is preferred meta or ortho?
Meta.
Meta.
Meta. Meta. Why? Because the ortho we have 1 resonance structure.
Unstable.
Yes, unstable resonance structure. Look to the para. The same thing to the ortho. Yes, this pi bond attack the electrophile, positive charge. This double bond convert to here, positive charge here. Look, this structure like this, unstable. This like this, unstable. Okay. Additional resonance structure, yes. This convert to here, positive to here. This 1, 2, 3. But one of them had directly positive charge bonded to the nitro group, and this it will be highly unstable. For this reason, anyone is preferred para or meta? Meta. That meaning the orientation of the NO2 it will be meta or ortho para?
Only meta.
Meta.
Be meta. Okay, it will be meta. This for the nitro group. يعني سي احتمال هيا طلبة. And CH and alkyl group, and we have this resonance structure ortho para is preferred from the meta Y because we have a positive charge directly bonded to the alkyl group. Here on the NH2 or OH or the halogen, you can write here ملاحظة طلبة NH2 or OH or halogen. Also, it will be ortho and para attack. Why? Because we have additional resonance structure 1, 2, 3, 4 resonance structure. But the meta just a 3 resonance structure. Anyone is based, طبعا more resonance structure is more stable than 3 resonance structure. For this reason, the ortho attack will be preferred from the meta. The same thing for the para. And the final one, the NO2 group. The NO2 group طبعا طلبة on the meta. We don't have any positive charge directly bonded to the NO2 group, but ortho and para we have positive charge directly bonded to the NO2 group. This structure, this and this highly unstable because we have 2 positive charge bonded together. This gives us highly unstable resonance structure. For this reason, the NO2 group is preferred to the meta orientation for the reaction, for the electrophilic reaction. Now, attack at each position generates 3 resonance structure. Yes, we said that. We explained that already. Conclusion with the NO2 group. Look, in all meta attack occur because attack at ortho para position give destabilized carbocation intermediate. We have unstable carbocation intermediate. Okay, now this homework, draw all resonance structure. Look, draw. طلبة أهم وقت البسيار ديت امتحانهم يعني you have to understand that the question and then you to write good answer. Okay, draw all resonance structure for the carbocation. Look, draw all resonance structure for the carbocation formed by ortho attack on the electrophile NO2. That meaning we have ortho attack on our electrophile NO2. That meaning any reaction this nitration. Okay, on the age started material. يعني this it will be go to the nitration reaction. This it will be go to the nitration reaction. This it will be go to the nitration reaction. Okay, draw resonance all the resonance structure and you have to see anyone is the best ortho meta يعني ortho para or meta for this and for this and for this. This تمرين بوتا. Okay, this proof of يعني for you. The same thing. You have to draw the same thing like this. Okay, like this.
هرسي كوتشي سيدة.
هرسي تشيكن أو يعني تمرين أبوها درستها.
سيدة يعني يستيد بتا ريسونانس.
العفو.
يستيد بتا ريسونانس سيدة.
ياسي. ياسي أفا.
بله.
إيه بدنا ريسونانس
بوشي سيدة.
ما أنا هرسي كويتني.
هن عالظالم هن بين فيش السروقة وهن ظالم. أوكي. يعني وصل شفهي بزحمتها لازم هم بين فيش السروقة. Resonance structure بين فيش همي. We have additional resonance structure here. أوكي. هن يعوي تشيكن سروقة وباش. أوكي. ملخص مفيد all ortho para director except the halogen طبعا ما عدا الهالوجين activate the benzene ring. All meta director deactivate the benzene ring. The halogen deactivate the benzene ring أو for memorize. Okay, for memorize. Again, look to this. NH2 group, OH, ether, amide, alkyl is activating group. Okay, activating group. And ortho para director. Just the halogen is deactivated. Just the halogen is deactivating. And this group, all this group is deactivating group. And this group, okay, all this group is meta director. Look, is meta director. All this group. The halogen with this group is what? Ortho para director. Okay?
سيدة.
بلى سيدة.
بس أفا NO2 وكيبيدا وانا اتبت deactivate تشنكي with the drawing وانا
كش أبا
ها
أبا
شو
أبا
اسمه؟ يد بني مجموعة بني
أبا
بحسي NO2
NO2 وها إيه أبا
الويري يعني تنو سحكي الريزونانس هي يعني اندكتيف هما تيج بيت ينفو
لا هكا من قلت why أو how the NO2 group why the NO2 group is meta director
دي
تو لازم تشيكها همي ريزونانس تشيكها أوكي
لا بوشي دي اكتيفيت بي
دي اكتيف تشنكو بوزيتيف تشارج هي صار نيتروجين
يعني تنو بيجي تشنكي انشيرت اوف الكترون هاي بدت
نينا
يعني
انشب
غريقة
الكترون
ريزونانس
نينا بيري انشب الكترون نينا هذا وصل صح كيف او انه تو جروب وصل اوكي I will make sure I know what you mean this
يعني او بوزيتيف الويري
بس هيك دقيقة أزبطها باسم
تمام سيد
أو ما
مزغاني.
حلقة
ايه سيدة مزغاني
تظاني شو هي فيري أكسجين شو هي فيري أكسجين شو هي فيري
إيه
نيتروجين أو نيتروجين شيا
دبت بوزيتيف
عافية أو نيتروجين بوزيتيف ويا أكسجين نيجاتيف أنشب الكترون نينا صار نيتروجين
إيه تمام درست سيد
درست أوتشيا Okay. Now, di-substituent benzene. Okay, di-substituent benzene. We take the mono-substituent benzene. Now, the di-substituent benzene. Look here, say, if we have CH3 and NO2. Okay, CH3. CH3 طلبة ortho, meta, and para.
أورثو بارا
أورثو بار
تمام. اورثو فكريه خالي وبارا بلوكد يعني محجوزه اوكي وذا سيم ثينج ان ذيس سايد اورثو فكريه وبارا بلوكد اوكي ناو فور ذا NO2 group اورثو بارا اور ميتا ميتا فكريه ان opened okay Bacteria open. Now, if I make halogenation, the halogenation BR, it will become to here, to the up or to the down?
to the up.
To the up. Why? Because the methyl is ortho and the NO2 is meta director. يعني 100 by 100, the BR, it will become to here, not to here. Okay? The BR, it will become to here. Okay. That meaning CH3 group in this example and NO2 group reinforce each other. يعني هردك orientation on this position. Okay? Reinforce يعني وحدة تعاون اللغ. CH3 تعاون البي ار حتى البي ار CH3 تعاون ال NO2 حتى البي ار راح تتعوض على هذا المكان. Okay? Reinforce each other. Look, he said rule number 1. Look. He said here طبعا for the dio what happens in the electrophilic aromatic substitution when di-substituted benzene ring is used as starting material. Okay, that meaning this is our starting material is benzene ring. This benzene ring with di-substituent. Okay, if I make for this starting compound, for example, halogenation. This is the halogenation. Okay, now the new group, the BR group, the new group, it will become to here or to here. This is the question. Okay, this is the question here. Now, طبعا to predict the product لحتى أنت تخمن الناتج, look at the directing effect of both substituents. هردوكا صح كي أفيا CH3 orientation CH3 بوكش اتجاه ortho para and meta وصل. Look at the directing effect of both substituent and then determine the net result. Okay, يعني باي صح كنتيجة دوما هيك using the following 3 Kelvins by using 3 rules. Okay, rule number 1, when the directing effect of two groups reinforce. شو معنى reinforce طلبة؟ يعني واحد يعاون الآخر يعني hard together. Okay, the same orientation. the new substituent is located on the position directly bonded to the both groups. Okay, خلاص. You say here CH3 is ortho, para طبعا blocked, NO2 is meta. That meaning both of them reinforce for the BR group to come to here. Okay, reinforce the orientation for the brom groups to come to here in this position. Okay, not in this position. For example, he said the CH3 group in the para nitrotoluene, طبعا طلب أو para nitrotoluene is an ortho para director and the NO2 group is meta director. These two effects reinforce each other so that when a product is formed on treatment with the BR and Fe BR3, this is the halogenation reaction. Okay, this halogenation reaction. Notice that the position para to the CH3 group is blocked. Look, we have a blocked here by NO2 group. So no substituent can be occur on the para director. Okay, يعني this BR, it is impossible to come to here. Why? Because we have NO2 group. Okay, blocked. خلاص. That means we have just one open side here. Okay. Rule number 2. If the directing effect of two groups opposite each other. شو معنى opposite؟ هكا إك عكس إك. Okay. Now, what is the orientation of methyl group here in this example? Orientation. Ortho para or meta?
ortho para.
زين. Ortho para. Ortho فكرية أن
يا
هي ortho هيا. Okay. Para blocked by this group by NHCOCH3. Okay, this group, amide group. Now, this group NHCOCH3 nitrogen انشبوا في الكترون هيا أن هيا ortho para or meta director?
ortho para.
ortho para فكرية أنا blocked.
para blocked.
ortho
فاكريا.
نوكا دو اورثو هيا ان او اورثو صح كي او CH3 اورثو باي اني افكت
inductive
عافيه اندكتيف افكت وهاي الان ايج with انشبو الكترون اورثو دايركتور باي اني افكت
ريزونانس.
ايش قوي ترى ريزونانس ان اندكتيف ريزونانس قوي ترى يعني بي ار ديت فيري and very Sorry, Bucci, because resonance effect is stronger than inductive effect. For this reason, the BR it will become to the ortho of the NHCOCH3 group. Okay?
كيش يبقى يترى سيدا؟
ها؟
كيش وقع يترى؟
Resonance is inductive قوي ترى. بوتشي الريزونانس قوي ترى كي يلا بوتشي الريزونانس قوي ترى دار
more stable يعني more resonance
يعني اكو مسألة اللغة شوفوا طلبة الاندكتيف make the positive charge more stable just by donating. Yes, donating. يعني هو راح المجموعة CH3 الاندكتيف افكت هو يعطي بس الريزونانس هو اصلا ياخذ كل البوزيتيف تشارج راح يشيل it will be remove all the positive charge by resonance. Okay, now I explain for you. Okay, I know it is difficult for you, but I explain for you this. Look. Now, this CH3, inductive or resonance? Inductive. هي شالت البوزيتيف كلها لو بس ظلت البوزيتيف اكو واحد فاتح الصوت منو فاتح الصوت؟ طلبة keep mute your sound please. Okay. Look, this alkyl group inductive effect that meaning can be stabilized the positive charge by donating. اوكي البوزيتيف تشارج هنا بقت لو ظلت؟
راحت استاذ مع CH3 سحبتها.
لا ما تسحبها كلها ظلت بس راح تقللها.
لأن هي donating group.
يعني ما راح تشيل البوزيتيف. Okay? Don't remove the positive charge. Just increase the stability for the positive charge. يعني decrease the positive charge. Okay? Now, take for this. Take. Now, look to the NH. This resonance. Look to the resonance. Make double bond. Remove all the positive charge. Positive charge راحت. Okay. Anyone is based. Stabilize the positive charge or remove the positive charge? Remove the positive charge. For this reason, the resonance قوي ترى. Resonance قوي ترى.
إيه.
Okay. We are here. Yes. This inductive effect, there is resonance effect. Anyone is stronger than the other. Look, because the NaCOH is stronger activator. طبعا stronger by any effect, by resonance effect. Okay? Substitution occur ortho to this group. It will become ortho on this group. Okay? Now, rule number 3. No.
بس شوي بيشي فهو بريبه.
چی بيجم؟
ساستنا جاشتم سي.
مار ولا ایکی و یا دوی هر دوکم.
أبا؟ کی قلتي ایکی و دوی هر دوکا؟ حسنا. بوچی حسنا؟
دکتر هستی نگشتم.
والله؟ يلا تمام. بيجا بخده؟ Rule number 1. Look. Rule number 1. Look to this. This CH3 active يعني donating or withdrawing?
Donating.
By any effect?
Inductive effect.
عافية inductive effect. This NH2NO2 sorry.
Resonance effect.
Yes, withdrawing. ما? Withdrawing orientation NO2 group ortho or para or meta? Meta. CH3 orientation?
Ortho para.
Ortho صح. يعني CH3 ortho والNO2 meta يعني هردوكا reinforce each other. يعني واحد تعاون الأخ انه يكونون على نفس التعويض راح يكون على نفس الموقع. Both of them reinforce each other to be substituted on the same position. اوكي؟ تمام سيبر؟
تمام.
درستها سيد.
درستها؟
غير بصوني.
بصنا هي معناتها قلت يا استنقشتم.
نازل بسيدة.
ده كان كده.
حسنة قالت.
حسنة. حسنة. تمام حسنة تقشتي؟
بله.
أكيد؟ اوكي. تمام ديالو. Look حسنة CH3 orientation to the ortho yes و NO2 orientation to the meta يعني هردوكا the same position both of them reinforce each other to be orientation on the same position. Okay, this number 1. Look here said rule number 1 when the directing effect of two group reinforce يعني هردوكا at the same position the direction reinforce each other reinforce يعني وحدة تساعد الأخ. The new substituent is located on the position directly bonded to the both group. أبصنا هي خلاص. For this example CH3 NO2 the orientation of the NO2 to the meta this here CH3 also here that meaning the BR it will become to here. Okay. تمام حسنة؟ تمام. Rule number 2 if the directing effect of two groups opposite to each other. تمام. This ortho or this also ortho but this ortho to here and this ortho to here opposite not the same position. This position and this position. That meaning anyone it will be win. Anyone it will be demonate. Okay. anyone كش وند يعني كش اي واحد راح يفوز. اوكي طبعا الاقوى راح يفوز. نجي على CH3 ortho orientation by inductive effect. NH CH3 ortho orientation by resonance effect. Anyone is stronger than other?
Resonance
resonance. You can write here resonance is strong than inductive effect. Okay, write note. ملاحظة بنفيسن. Okay, stronger, stronger by resonance. That meaning the BR it will be come to here or come to here.
Just say.
Okay, it will be come to this ortho orientation for the NHCOCH3 group because this group is affected by resonance, not by inductive. Now, قاعدة CA, no substitution occur between two meta substituents because the crowding. Okay, now, طلبة methyl group ortho and para.
أرثو
Ortho para هاردوكا حسنا ortho and para. methyl group
هاردك سيد.
هاردو أكيد هاردو.
بلى.
Okay. تمام. This CH3 ortho and para. Okay. Now, for example, if I make a bromination here, it will be the brom. It will be come to here or come to here or come to here. Here and here. Okay. This or this, but not this. Why not this? Because crowded. يعني دو جروب هيا very crowded خبصة قلبال يعني مجال نينا مجال تدنينا أو بي ار ديت very okay چونك أو مجموعة مازنة أو مجموعة مازنة but here opened okay أو رخيفة كريا this side is open that meaning the BR is easy to come to here or to here but not here no substitution occurred between two meta substituents هكا أو جروب وقالوي meta group this أبا بوافيا ميتا okay meta this for this it will be meta substituent that meaning there is no substitution it will become between of two meta groups okay now I will give you example where is this okay now this benzene cycle for example this benzene cycle okay and this CH3 okay طلبة okay I will make like this benzene cycle CH3 and we have for example we have this group BR group طبعا ناخذ ونرجع BR شو BR BR الكتروفيل نوكا this CH3 طلبة this CH3 orientation أو CH3 شيء ortho and para and meta
أرثو
Orthopara.
اوكي ortho para نوكا صح كي أو ortho معناه أو ortho أو جي ortho أو para معناه
بلى.
درسته تمام زين أو CH3 هذه أو CH3 أو أورثو أو جي أورثو
وبار
أو بارا أوكي تست فيري هيا
لا
نينا يعني بي ار هكا ديت فيري خلط بي ار نايت فيري أوكي now BR can be come to here
قلت بتأزدح.
this BR can be come to here or no
No.
why because crowded اوكي because acidic effect إعاقة فراغية crowded خلاص اوكي شو مايا ان افيا هكا هاتي فيري the same thing there is no different اوكي
اوكي.
تمام تقشتن
اي سيد.
اوكي الحمد لله
صارت وغدة يستاهل
ايه لك معي الوضع
شكرا
العفو اوكي
سيدا باكا سيتسري سريبا والبنيجي با دوتشاوبي بواسطة
بس هيك دقيقة
المقابل يجبن
خلينا نروح نفس الموضوع اللي خلصنا ايه 1 minute. اوكي. هكا تاقوتي تشيا
مقابل أجمل سيدة.
وصل؟
بله.
يلا قلنا.
هذا.
بلا كسكا أو CH3 أورثو بارامانا أو فيري
وفيراخ.
أم فيري وأم فيري بارا قرتيها مانا؟ خلاص نينا. وأو CH3 أدوية أم فيري أم فيري تمام؟ يعني بي ار شتي ديت فيري أم فيري ها؟
فرقني نسيت كذا.
شو مشكلة هنا حكت لنا فيري اوكي يعني بي ار احتمال ديت طبعا بي ار ابيا احتمال ديت فيري واحتمال فيري واحتمال فيري also here. Okay, there is no difference. You can put it as you want, here or here or here or here. Okay? Okay. تقشتي؟
بله سيدة.
Now, resolve. Draw the products formed from nitration of each compound. صح كي nitration. يلا طلبة. أو قال من أو شيء أورثو أم بارا أم ميتا. أورثو بارا. أورثو بارا. وبا أورثو بارا. أو أورثو بارا by any effect.
Resonance.
By resonance. This by an effect.
Inductive effect.
Inductive effect. طبعا بس دقة. Okay. Inductive effect. Okay. Anyone is strong than other. The resonance effect or inductive effect? Resonance effect. That meaning. طبعا محمد يوسف. محمد.
سيدنا.
نظام شي هيا دفتر موبايل تلفزيون تشويش هيا.
تمام.
ايه. Okay. Now, anyone is stronger than other, resonance or the inductive resonance. That meaning the nitration, the NO2, it will be come to here or come to here. Anyone is stronger than other?
To up.
To up. Okay. يلا. The second one طبعا resolved أو مفروض resolve. To up. هاتي up. Okay. Look to the second one. OH ortho para. CH3 ortho para. Okay. This here we substitute can be happened here?
No.
No. Why? Because they are crowded. The steric effect. Okay. That meaning we have just two open position. This and this. That meaning we have two possible product. This NO2 here and this NO2 here. You have to write both of them. This and this. Okay.
Okay.
Now this homework for you. Draw the product formed when each compound is treated with NO2 H2SO4. This the nitration reaction. Okay, nitration reaction. You have to draw the product. This nitration, this nitration, this nitration, this nitration. Write the product. Okay. طبعا I will stop here. Synthesis of the benzene derivative. Okay, this it will be inshallah next lecture. Because of تمام طلبة. Oh, I hope you can restudy again this lecture and understand all the what I say to you today. If you have any problem, any question, please write it on the paper and try to resolve all the homework also on the paper 1, 3, 4 times, no problem. This it will be just training for you. And if you don't have any question, you can.
يجي أبا homework كده.
بس هيك دقة.